I'm gonna go live Sundays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, weeknight. It's gonna be at night. On weekday it'll be at night. Just waking up, man. You know, break the news to you. Brittany Grinder. Brittany Grinder is free now, and they did it with they freed her for this dude that hate Americans. That's an arms dealer. Do you think that's fair? Do you think that's a fair trade? What Brittany Grinder do, right? What she do? Dribble a basketball, right? Brittany Grinder, she dribbles basketballs, right? Right? Okay. So you give her up. You don't even get the Marine 2 though. Like you don't even get the Marine 2 though. But you just get Brittany Grinder for this terrorist dude who sold arms in the 90s to conflict countries that hate Americans. So you gonna give Brittany Grinder basketball dunking bride for somebody and the dude was convicted of murder, conspiracy, commit murder, all that overseas. And you letting this man go, somebody kill him. Just waking up, man. We're remodeling the pool and shit. I'm remodeling that pool area right there. Everything get remodeled. It's a whole nother side though. You know what I mean? Just waking up though. Early in the morning. I turned on CNN and they traded Brittany Grinder for this badass dude, man. What y'all think about that? What you think about that? I love my people. I'm glad she free. She can go eat a hamburger now and dribble some more basketballs while this dude gonna go back to doing what he been doing. And that's destroying the world. And don't nobody give a fuck. Because we don't care here. Man, it's a cold game, man. It's a cold world. It's a cold world out here, man. Anyway, peace and love to all my peoples, man, all my followers, man. And shit, I'm gonna be going live, man. That live is for you, man. It's for you to interact. If you subscribe, you know, and I go live and you put something up there, I'm gonna talk about it. I'm gonna talk about it. We gonna have a discussion. Them lies is for y'all. You wanna have a discussion about fixing your credit? You wanna talk to Tone about fixing your credit? Huh? I got you. You wanna talk to Tone about life? I got you. You wanna talk to Tone about CDL, hazmat, tankers, twit cards, I got you. We rocking together, man. You know? We rocking together, man. Sunshine. Peace and love to y'all, man. I gotta wake up in the morning to hear Brittany Grinder just got traded for some dude that is evil beyond your comprehension. And he hate Americans. And he a murderer, convicted. And he's one of the world's most notorious arms dealer in the 80s and 90s to conflict nations in Africa. And they trade Brittany Grinder for this guy. A basketball dribbling ass broad. She made that mistake. She shouldn't have even been. She shouldn't have even been in Russia for no amount of money. That's her fucking fault. She want to go play basketball. She could have played basketball in Italy. She could have played basketball in Germany. She could have played basketball in fucking Poland. She could have played basketball any motherfucking where. Mexico? Well, shit. Mexico dangerous as a motherfucker. You see what I'm saying? But this dude that they traded her for, they ain't even get the Marine. What about the Marine? What about the Marine that his family was talking to Joe Biden? What about the Marine, man? Oh, you know I keep some steppers on, man. I keep some steppers on, G. Ugh. It's early in the morning, though. I just woke up, man. You know, I ain't even had my coffee yet, man. I got to hear this motherfucking shit. You know, I work at night, so, you know. I had about 4 hours of sleep. You feel what I'm saying, though? That's stupid, right? Man, we gonna have these same discussions. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do a live for y'all. You want a live? I got you right now, man. Early in the morning. Peace.